Hello people! Today we have something special. These are hashboards, but all of these are special in some way. This is a hashboard from S21 Hydro. You can see it's normal green hashboard, green PCB. Okay, normal. Let's take a look on this one. This is S21 XP, I think. Let's take a look. This is metal. Okay, that's normal. This is normal bitmain. Take a look on this one. This is something. This is Volcminer, and this is copper. Full copper hashboard. Wow. That's super cool actually. So, the difference is the heat dispersion. With this hashboard, you are cooling just from into the radiator, to the heat exchanger actually, when it's a hydro-cooled hashboard. With this one, you are cooling chips from front, you are cooling from back, and yeah, basically the heat dispersion from this board is way better. Hey, come on, with copper, it's heavy, it's cooling like, it's on different level. And take a look how cool this thing is. I never seen board like this. Super cool thing. Hey people, like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.